Hello, what is up mga ma'am, sir, ma'am? Ako po si Ralph Cifra, isang visual artist from Manila, Philippines. And today we are going to custom repaint the McFarlane Toys Mr. Freeze. So this is the finished custom repainted na action figure. And this is a project collaboration between me and Kevin Casus, aka Tisoy Toy Hunter. Shout out to you, sir. So first step is to spray it with Bosny Flat Black. Yun yung primer na gagamitin na ginamit ko dito. Recommended ay multiple thin coats. Siguro mga 2 to 3 thin coats yung in-apply ko dyan. And then after that, dry brushing method using gunmetal. So ang gagawin natin, darker shades muna. And then we're going to add layers and layers of paint. So dark shades muna, medium shades, and then lighter shades of metallic paints. So gunmetal, ano pa ba isa? Gunmetal, silver, and then meron platinum. Yun, tatlo. Gunmetal, silver, and platinum. So again, shout out muna kay Hero Paints. Thank you very much, Hero Paints, for always sponsoring our custom repainted na mga videos. So ito na yung status ng gunmetal. Next naman, silver paint. So ganun pa rin, dry brushing yung method na ginagamit natin dito for application. So sa dry brushing, konti lang yung paint na nasa brush and then ida-drag lang natin yung paint across the surface. So yung pinaka nakaangat na areas, yun lang yung mga madadaanan ng paint. Yung mga recessed na areas, hindi na madadaanan ng paint yun. Alright, next paint is platinum. So itong platinum, meron siyang shade ng blue, yung cool tone na metal. Kaya gusto kong gamitin to. Kasi yung mga glows ni Mr. Freeze, color blue yung ano niya, yung light. Alright, sa head sculpt naman, hindi ko inispray ng flat black yung face niya. So, nakamask yan. Tapos, inisprayan ko muna ng flat clear para magkaroon tayo ng adhesive layer. And then after that, ito na yung ginagawa natin. Nag-add tayo ng white base para sa glow. Alright. Si Hero Paints, meron siyang fluorescent na mga paints. So, kung gusto nyo itry, punta lang kayo sa Shopee or Lazada and buy the fluorescent paint set. Mas makakamura kayo kung set yung bibili nyo. Kung individual naman, I think 125 to 150 pesos. So, yan. Apply nyo lang dun sa desired na location ng mga glows. Actually, ito si Mr. Freeze. Usually, yung mga glows niya nasa chest, thighs, and back. Tapos dun sa shoulders. Okay. Itong blue na glow, dadagdagan pa natin ng iba't ibang shades ng blue. This one is coral blue. Tapos meron din akong cobalt blue. And then, pwede nyo rin i-mix yun. And then, after this, yung next layer will be white. Para magkaroon ng illusion na bright yung gitna. Tapos, yung gilid niya, or yung section nung mag-glow, para siyang combination ng mga dark blue, light blue, and dark blue, medium, and light colored blues. So, iba't iba yung use. So, parang nadadagdagan yung yung glow effect niya. And there you have it. Tapos na ang ating McFarlane Toys custom repaint. Again, shout out to Kevin Casos, aka Tisoy Toy Hunter. So ito yung project collaboration namin together. Tisoy Toy Hunter X Rain Cifra. Meron pa tayong dalawang project. So Sub-Zero and the T-Rex. Alright. Again, ito na ang ating, bago ko pala ipadala sa kanya, nag-spray muna, in-sprayan ko muna ito ng, ng Bosney number 191 flat clear for our top coat. Okay, so yun lang mga ma'am sir. That's it. Thank you very much for watching and see you sa next video. Bye-bye.